I know you'll say it's sunny in Boca, David. So, Rachel, what's the weather like here?
It's pouring.
How hard?
Hard.
Okay. Melon, and here's the new Frenchman's Creek sign, David. They spruced it up because they want to compete with St. Andrews. Oh, baby!
Stuff in my bag.
Here we go. Pouring out. Rachel, it's green. You're going to get honked at.
Ooh.
Oh, nice driving, Rachie.
Mark bited me.
Oh, Rachel said bite me.
Hey folks, here's Melanie, and it is raining. So what are we gonna do?
What are we going to do? We're
gonna
gonna
watch
shoot each
a
other.
movie.
Where's AJ? With Roby. And Melanie.
It's amazing how fast it's happening.
Here, David, is it sunny out here? Yes, it's sunny. It is February 25th, 2012. Really nice weather. Pa told me it's going to be sunny
No,
today.
he did not. You said he saw rain. You were the one that said no rain.
Here's my leg. See you soon.